Got a bathroom over here. Let's see here. This is the downstairs bathroom. Big mirror. And this is a closet here, which is nice. The bathroom medicine cabinet. New toilet. New everything. New counters. Made this picture, and the flowers I got it in Timo. You stick them on, and I made this out of foam and wallpaper, 2 different kind of wallpapers, as you can see. Here I put a plant that I bought on Timo. It's not real, it's fake. But this one is real. The spider plant is real, as you can see. Then I got a garbage can that matches it, and I got a black leopard. Bought the black leopard in Timo. I made the border with bling bling on it. And I place these curtains. In the sink, I put the ring, towel ring holder. I added some bling decor flowers, and I bought this in Amazon. It's a soap dish, a soap refiller to wash your hands. And I bought the quote, wash your hands, in Timo, as you can see. Then I got these flowers in Timo. I bought this tower to clean your hands in Amazon. No, I think it was Walmart. I'm not mistaken. It's one of them. Walmart or Amazon. And I have bought one for upstairs bathroom. This is the downstairs bathroom, as you can see. I decorated the shelves that I made. And I bought these in Amazon. And I put it together, as you can see. And I decorated the shelves with flowers. with plants, fake plants. And this is the night light, as you can see. And the washcloths, I put them here and here. And I put a fake plant on the top, as you can see. And in the bottom, I bought these stick-on, flower stick-on Temu. I put up these pictures and I bought the quote in Temu. It was plain, so I put the quote on it and another quote here. These the quotes I bought in Temu. I decorated, put some flowers here and some real flowers, plants in the bottom. And I put the towel, black and white, as you can see. I put this, got this from the dollar store, and I put this quote for the bathroom. Here I took a shower curtain because this has shells in it, and I cut the shower curtain in half, and then I put strips of wallpaper, as you can see, across. All the way down. And a small little rod up there in the top to hold it, a towel rod. I made this for my mirror, and I got these little tiny fake flowers on Temu again for my mirror, which I placed in back of the door on the bathroom.